Welcome back to the channel. It's been a minute, dude. But I'm back from a little Thrill Mouse Nation tour that I did in Florida with my special host, VinCode 17. Got Will there with us. So just like always, coming back from Thrill Mouse Nation tours, I got walk-arounds, we got little adventures, and we ride other stuff. We do a little bit of water stuff on top of. I was in a moto surf competition. That's crazy. So mad footage, lots of stuff coming. I appreciate you guys being patient with me, but let's go. Throw mouse moto. The mouse van made it, if you can believe that, from Texas all over Florida, packed with those toys, dude. We had a couple electric bikes, couple of one wheels, electric skateboard, and of course, the jet board on top of that. But lots of footage, like I said, and with our gracious host, Mr. Florida himself, VinCode 17. To get mad that I called him that, riding around on his Ryker, had me riding on his Spider, his Can-Am Spider RSS. It was a blast, had a great time. So big time shout out to that gracious host and all the other supporters. Want to give a shout out to everyone like Bill, Mr. Stitch It Up, Frank, James, David Wilson, Ironside Customs, Wrencher Ryker, John, RLS Exhaust, and Adrian. Speaking of Adrian, that's kind of what I wanted to showcase in this video. Look at that ride. He's got his daughter and this little like power wheel version of a Can-Am. I would say that's probably modeled after a Spider, and he shared that on our Patreon Discord. It's a private Discord I have for Thrill Mouse Moto for the big time supporters, and he shared those pictures in our little 3-wheel section, and I was like, oh dude, you gotta let me put this on a video, because that's way too cool. I kind of just want one to drive around the house, dude. But mad colors, looking cool. Just got some cool dog sunglasses to rock them at the same time. And if you can look, you can see there's some Thrill Mouse Moto stickers on those back fenders. But man, something to be riding next to his rally there. It looks like a new rally. We'll have to get some more walk around footage like this here. I do have a walk around video of a 2022 Can-Am Ryker rally, but I do plan on doing a sport. That's one I haven't done yet for 2022. I will have to get that done before 2023. But look at this close-up shot, dude. It's got the honeycomb grill, nice color. I mean, I like the style of this and some actual. Look at the lights, dude. It's got the lights on it too, man. Put some speakers on there, and that's the setup, man. I dig it. I appreciate it big time for Adrian to share this footage. I don't know if you guys have seen these yet. Probably could put some wheels on that though, a little bit of chrome. But oh my god, dude. That's a VSS fault error for sure. Yeah, that's gonna error out, dude. You have to go get that cleared. But I don't even know on which one that would have caused that too. But too cool. Awesome stuff. I appreciate it, Adrian, and you and your daughter got a rock on for sure. Footage is coming, content's coming. I appreciate you guys watching. Just wanted to make a quick teaser video here. There's some stuff, let you know that I'm still alive. I just been having fun, I like to kind of do it like this, do like a Thrill Mouse Nation type of a tour of just collecting content, doing walkarounds, and then I can dump them on you guys and just kind of keep up, and hopefully you guys will dig the stuff that I got. I appreciate you watching. One more thing that I almost forgot is kicking off this new season. This is like a little teaser preview of what we got going on as far as new content. We'll call it season 3, right? So also kicking it off, I want to go live, and I want to go live with Black Phoenix Entertainment as my guest. We're gonna set it up. It might be this weekend, might be sometime next week, or for sure by next weekend, I'd imagine. He went from his Spider RSS to a Can-Am Ryker. We gotta chop it up. We gotta talk about how did he go from the Spider to the Ryker. How does he like the experience? How's the process been for him? I know he has like back issues, so how does that change? Lots of questions for him. So I hope you guys tune in. I'll put the info, I'll pin it in the comments when I get an actual confirmed date for it. Appreciate you guys watching. See you then.
If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to Thrill Mouse Moto. I was paid to say this since Barry said he felt kind of weird asking. He also wanted me to say Baja Blast slams and yeah dog, Thrill Mouse Moto.